ngil ko say ko sa TMC ngal ngal niya to ko betsul okya garigid nga Staff Sergeant James R. Smith nga recruiter United States Army may lakad mo sa telel mo mutingel mo ra tiel nga sa other Palau. So Sergeant Smith, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You have the floor. Go ahead.
Good morning. Like I said, my name is Staff Sergeant Smith. I run the Micronesia Army Recruiter Station, headquartered out of Guam, but we're responsible for helping young men and women actually join the Army out here in Palau, RMI, and FSM. We're starting to restart operations again where we can help y'all join. We're out here on the island right now. Our purpose right now for this trip is to help those join who had recently taken the test, going back as far as 2019, and those who took the high school ASVAB at Mazenti High back in 2021. So if you are either one of those and you want to get more information and potentially join in September when we return back out with our doctors and all that, please stop by PPR. We're staying up there. We have a conference room, and we can give you information. And if you're ready to go, we can start the paperwork and make it happen.
So can I ask a question? So this is for the people who've already applied, or
yes, this trip right now, yes. We are coming back in November to do the ASVABs for anybody else who does want to join. But our trip right now, and when we come back in a month, is to help those with older scores as kind of like a kickstart to get things rolling again. But then we're going to start like completely fresh in November with a whole new test set and all that. We'll go off to all the high schools, and we'll be doing the ASVAB testing up at PPC for about a week, 2 weeks.
Okay. All right. So let me ask about that, the upcoming ones for the. So is it open to just high school students or just college students, or what's the age range you're looking for in Palau? Because I know there's a lot of little bit Palauans who've finished high school, finished college, but they're still kind of wondering if they can still join.
So you're talking about our testing trip in November?
Yes, yes.
Okay, for that one, we do have some requirements. You have to be between the ages of 17 and 34. It is possible to request a waiver, but we could talk about those details when we actually meet up. But as far as the basic guidelines, between the ages of 17 and 34, and actually be a citizen of Palau.
Okay. So you have two. So right now, this coming tomorrow and the next day, anybody who's the people who've already taken the test and all that are going to go to PPR at the conference room.
Yep.
Tigero ako ngal Palau sumukom langu sele aspab maya komla mo urtay the recruiters segi de komra sil el sil sa maklugo ko mangyaw and sil mora a conference room ra PPR ya gamit tire tamo smodi atetere la kwaseng mo ngarang selu klemel September is next time we're coming.
September we're coming back with our doctors to help those we're meeting with this week actually join.
Tigele mo elangan conference room ra PPR mit tiranga September tola toktang mar adra sa soldan melo mes tire o mes kwasen sabil mora training. So I'm just explaining for the people who are coming in for tomorrow's event. Yeah. But then do you want to explain for your upcoming after this group of people more details on the?
Yeah. So for our trip in November, we're going to be coming out for a minimum of 2 weeks. We'll be doing testing at all the high schools. So Mazenti High, PMA, Palau High, and MLs. We'll be doing the testing there. As far as the scheduling for that, we're still working out the exact dates. We'll put out more information with the schools themselves as we get closer, as well as let you all know so you can broadcast that out, when we're coming out, so y'all get ready. And then we'll also be doing at the college testing there for multiple days out there for everybody else who is not a college, who is not a high school student who wants to take the test.
Okay, all right. That's very good. I think it's a good opportunity for kids in Palau. Do you have anything else to say to the? You can go ahead and.
Yeah, of course. So
to the young people.
I was out here last year for Independence Day, and really love the island here. I've been trying to get back, for months now, to do the testing and all that. But unfortunately, as we all know, there's COVID and all that stuff, so we had to get delayed. I'm glad to be back, and basically my goal is to help anybody who does want to join, or at least get information about the Army, be able to make an informed decision, and when they're ready, actually start the process, do the paperwork, and all that fun stuff.
Thank you very much, Sergeant Smith. We're going to be posting the information on the screen after this interview, so they'll know exactly what to do for now. And then come for the November event, we'll also be posting stuff later on about that event as well. So
sounds good.
I hope you come back and
I plan to be back as often as I can. I love this place.
all right, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Kung ano sila ma-cook next.